she wants jasmine. So I mix it to green blue. So her favorite is jasmine. My favorite is Aisha and Belle. So when I mix it, it would be what? I think it would be yellow blue. Like that. I don't like to mix them. My tayo then be so bad when I paint that with both of them. My friends would laugh at that. So we would not paint. My teacher would be like, here's my glue. This is glue po slime. Glue po slime. So this glue is po natin. I don't know. I don't know what could I use it. To my papers, to cut my papers. Oh no. I got this wood paper and it won't break. I can't buy it in the same time. It's inside.
You say bye-bye na to the video.
No.